Hello, hello. Hola. What are today's messages? Which pile? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's pick this one. Morning star, keep shining even when others have quit. A mind is like a parachute. It doesn't work if it isn't open. What event in history would you like to have experienced? You are moving on to a steady and reliable path. Which animal are we today? Ladybug, which means good luck. You are a bright energy. Let worry go and be happy here and now. Feel good about being a loving, colorful you. You bless the world with color and good luck. And our envelope messages today. Be a good person, but don't waste your time proving it. My inner peace is the best gift I can give myself and the people around me. The world you see is only your perception. You are your choices. Last one today. Listen to what people don't say. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.